Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna talk about how to calculate previous month sales, how to calculate previous month YTD. We are going to see in today's video. Okay, please try to watch all my previous videos. I'm gonna explain different examples with the different scenarios so that you'll get more clarity and more understanding in DAX. Now let's go to the Power BI desktop. There we can understand the today's video demo. So for timing, already I have designed this report, so I will try to explain each and every step what I have done here. So before getting into the details of the report, let me explain what are the tables I have imported for today's demo purpose. Okay, so customer table, geography, product, sales territory, dim date, product category, subcategory, fact, internet sales. So these are the tables I have imported from the Excel, and also we'll try to understand what kind of relationship we have established between these dimension tables and fact tables. So understanding relationship is very important. So now let's go to the model tab. Just collapse these two and try to now scroll down a little bit. Now you can see that already I have established the relationship between these dimension tables and fact tables. For example, if I place the mouse between any of these two, so there is a color highlighting. It means that based on this key column, we are enabling the relationship between the dimension table and fact table. Now we can understand what kind of direction this relationship is flowing. Means that the direction is a single direction. It means that the field of propagation flowing from one direction to this many direction. Okay, so we'll try to cover separate video on this relationship because it's very important. That time I'll try to speak more about on this. For timing, I'll try to understand. So now we'll go to the report tab. Now you can understand the today's video. Now we can see that so we have two pages. So first I'll go to this page. Okay, here, so this is a matrix as well. So we have three layers. First one is year level, another one is so month level, another one is day level. So it means so year, month, day level. So in this example I'm creating so previous month sales as well as previous month YTD, current month YTD. Okay, so how difference between those of them, so we'll try to see one by one. So first of all, so this is the year level. So basically we didn't say anything because we are calculating the difference between the previous month and current month. So that is reason intentional I make it this is blank. Okay, when you scroll down to further level, so now you can see in 2001 these are the months, in 2002 these are the months, in 2003 these months. So each year wise we have the month and respective current month sales. For example, in 2001 July month sales, August month sales, September, October, November, December. And with respect to the previous month sales in this context, so there is no previous month, that is the reason we are getting the blank. When it comes to August month, the previous month is July in 2001, so we got the July sales. When it comes to September, what is the previous month? August, so we got the August sales. Like that we have written the expression to get the with respect to the current context we are calculating the previous month sales, right? So likewise we have the, and also we have the month YTD. So month YTD means up to the that month we are calculating the YTD, month to date sales, right? So this is a month YTD, this is the previous month YTD, right? So we'll go for the further level, there we can understand. Okay, so this is the month YTD, so current month YTD, right? So 21.90 plus 31.90, 53. 53 plus 9, 63. 63 plus 3, 67. Like that we are calculating the month to date up to the end of the month. But In previous month we have the blank because we don't have any previous month for the July. Basically in 2001 we are starting the sales from July 2001 onwards. That is the reason for the previous month there are no sales. Even for the previous month the YTD also blank. So and also while calculating the difference between the current month and previous month, current month YTD, previous month YTD, I'm intentionally make it as a blank because if you have only if you have both sales current month and previous month, then only I'm taking the difference. If even any one of them blank means I'm just making it as a blank. Okay, now I'll go for the August month. Now you can see that clearly. So this is the August month sales, this is the July month sales. I'll take the snipping, so I'll try to explain. I have taken the snipping. Now you can see this is the August month, this is the August month sales, these are all the August month sales, but this is July month sales because we are calculating the previous month. So for the August, what is the previous month of July? So this is the July month sales. So this is the August month of YTD. This is July month of YTD because we are calculating the previous month YTD. So for the August, July is the previous month. So that is the reason we are calculating the previous month YTD. And this is the difference between the previous current month and previous month. So month sales difference is the difference between the current month and previous month sales. Okay, and this is month sales YTD difference, the difference between the month YTD and previous month YTD. Okay, so these two combinations, this is these two combinations. So the difference, month sales difference is difference between the current month and previous month. When it comes to month sales YTD difference between the month YTD and previous month YTD. I hope you understand. So look into. So likewise I have written the expression to get the numbers. Same thing for all the months. Now you can check also. And I have created another measures to get the symbolic representation because easily we can understand instead of looking at the numbers by seeing the symbol color and whether it is upward or downward. Based on that we can understand sales are low, sales are high. So likewise that is the reason I have created a separate measure to represent symbolic symbols here, up and down symbols. And also if the sales are negative I am representing in a red color. If it is plus greater than 1 means we are different color, so that easily we can understand based on this. Okay, which month the YTD previous month sales are negative or positive. So now you can see detailed information each month wise, each day wise. See, now I can see detailed information. I'll go for the upper level. So I'm going, this is the month level. Now we can see whole information. I'll go to further level, day level. Now you can see detailed information of which month, which day, negative sales, positive sales. Based on the symbol we can easily understand and we can do some analysis. Okay, this is the matrix visual. So even I have created a separate visuals for charts for better understanding also. So basically in this I have two slices, one is year, another one is month. So based on year and month I am taking two charts here. This is the month YTD and previous month YTD. This is the month sales and previous month sales. So based on selection easily we can understand which month is performing well, whether it is previous month or current month. See, now you can see it's all thing in dynamic nature. See, so likewise we can understand, we can study the data. Now you can see this is the month YTD, this is the previous month YTD. So 188, this is 210, so the month YTD is bigger. So likewise we can understand the data based on our requirement. So that's all for today's video. I hope you like this video. If you have any questions or queries, you can send me an email or drop your comments in the comment section, so that I'll try to reply as soon as possible. So please watch all my previous videos, so we'll get more examples on DAX. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for our videos.